Alright, it is Thursday, December 27th, 2018 at 4:13 p.m. I hope everybody had awesome holiday time. I had a great holiday with my family. Let's take a look at the weather. Alright, Winter Storm Ebony spreading wind-driven snow across the plains and upper Midwest. Blizzard warnings issued. Alright, a winter storm Ebony will impact the plains and upper Midwest on Thursday. Blizzard conditions are possible in parts of the plains. Snow and ice will affect portions of New England and upstate New York by Friday. Winter Storm Ebony will continue to bring wind-driven snow to the plains and the upper Midwest on Thursday, creating localized blizzard conditions in parts of those regions. Ebony will also spread snow and ice across portions of upstate New York and New England by Friday morning. Snow, accompanied by gusty winds, is currently spreading from central and northern plains into northern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, and upper Michigan. Alright, you see here a truck overturned from all the snow and the bad traffic. It says here nearly all flights out of Fargo Airport were canceled Thursday due to near blizzard conditions in eastern North Dakota. Blizzard conditions were observed Thursday morning in western Kansas, stranding motorists near Scott City and Leoti. Power outages have been reported around Garden City. Interstate 70 was forced closed in Kansas late Thursday morning between Colby and Weakeney. The highway closed between Goodland and Hays, Kansas Thursday afternoon. So pretty much winter storms out there. Alright, current radar and winds. The National Weather Service has issued various winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories from the plains and upper Midwest to the northern Great Lakes, upstate New York, and New England. Blizzard warnings are in effect for part of 5 states, including western Kansas, south central Nebraska, central and northeast South Dakota, eastern North Dakota, and the far northwest Minnesota. Alright, let's take a look right now at the snow accumulation in the next 120 hours. See here the Midwest and the upper middle states. Alright, let's look at the National Weather Service with all the warnings. There is flash flood warnings for central Mississippi and parts of Louisiana. There are blizzard warnings for northern and northeastern South Dakota and western North Dakota and parts of central Nebraska. There's winter storm warnings for parts of central Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, and northeastern Iowa. There is also flood warnings for central Alabama, for parts of northern and central Georgia, for parts of eastern Tennessee, western Virginia, and North Carolina, all the way up to Washington, D.C. and New Jersey. Let's take a look at the full screen radar to see the storm that's happening right now. This is Storm Ebony with the snow up here in the northern part, and once it gets warmer enough, it starts causing rain and storms all the way from Canada all the way to the Gulf of Mexico. So you see here parts of Louisiana, New Orleans with storms happening right now. Alright, let's take a look at the current temperatures. As you see here, the north is in 32 degrees, 34, and 33 degrees. That's why there's snow up here. And once it gets warm enough here in the southern states, it starts turning that into rain. Alright, let's see. Washington, 42 degrees. Oregon, 35 degrees. California, 49 degrees in the upper western side and 61 degrees in the southern side. Texas with 36 degrees on the western side and 75, 69, and 62 degrees on the eastern side. Louisiana with 63 degrees and 72 degrees in the south. And Florida with 72 degrees on the northern side and 77 on the south. Georgia with 52 degrees. South Carolina with 63 degrees. North Carolina with 42 degrees on the eastern side, and 56 degrees as well. And Virginia with 39 degrees. Massachusetts with 35 degrees. Vermont with 18 degrees. And Maine with 11 and 29 degrees. Alright guys, that's it for the weather for right now. Please stay safe if you are in the storm Ebony. And God bless you guys. See you next time.